90-year-old Margaret Keenan became the first person in the world to get the coronavirus vaccine officially. The second person to get the vaccine was 81-year-old William Shakespeare. Both people got the vaccine at the University Hospital in Coventry, UK. Some people got the vaccine before them, but it was a part of the tests. Now, the UK became the first country in the world to officially vaccinate people. Health officials said that December 8 was the start of the end of the pandemic. People who are 80 and over will be among the first to get the vaccine, but it can be difficult to vaccinate people who do not live in cities or small towns. Some people also worry that the vaccine is not safe because the tests were not thorough enough. Officials said that it was not true and that the vaccine was safe.